Hi, this is Orlando from YouCanBookMe. Today we're going to be talking about group bookings. This feature allows you to provide multiple slots at the same time. It's a great option for webinars, information sessions, recruitment pools, and other events. We're going to start by enabling group bookings. The first step is to go to your booking page settings. Then you can go to availability rules and you are going to see group bookings. In this option, after selecting this, you will be able to have the option to add a booking form questions. With that option, you will be able to have the availability to show more than one slot to the booker. And then here, you can adjust the maximum group size for the booking. After selecting the amount or the group size you need, you can save all changes. Here's an example how group bookings work with your calendar. When you get a booking during your available time slot, it will show up as a separate event in your calendar. For example, here, it's going to be separated events. Once you have reached designated number of bookings, that time will no longer be open for reservations in YouCanBookMe. So for example, if you have set a limit of 3 bookings, you will not get more events in that specific time. Another great feature about group bookings is that you can adjust the slot for a specific booking. You just need to go to bookings, the booking you would like to work, select details, and then you can adjust it under maximum group size. Right here, you can adjust it and update it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question about group bookings, feel free to send us an email at support@youcanbook.me. Thank you so much.